I got a customer coming in a few minutes to pick up their laptop, but then still right down in here, it's kind of a weak point. So what I'm going to attempt really quick before they get here is a kind of like fast repair by, like when you make a splint and then you wrap it with a Band-Aid, that kind of an effect to where this is going to be a splint. Okay, that's cooled off. Let's go ahead and do another one. And you got to realize this is a quick repair. Okay, that's cooled off pretty good. Grab some Super 33 Plus electrical tape. I don't have any time for anything else because the customer will be here shortly. Let's just go ahead and rewrap that again. That is all I'm going to do. It's a quick fix. But the hot glue, it's going to be like a little stint or little stints in there. They're going to keep this from moving around because the tape will protect it, but it's usually not enough to stop it from bending. There you go.